You are going to love the 2019 S5. The muscular, sweeping lines of pure performance mark the dramatic return of the Audi S5 Coupe. Luxury, innovation, and power equal an experience unlike anything else and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, regenerative braking system, ambient lighting, power brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.